Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear Google Drive storage in mobile phone. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive. Then tap on the three lines in the left of the corner. Tap on storage. Swipe down. Tap on clean up space. Swipe down and then you can see the option review and clean up under few files. And what you need to do is you have to go into each options and delete the items permanently. And in this way, after cleaning each and every file, your storage will be clear. And that's why you can clear your Google Drive storage very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.